I am going straight in to whipping up the very first dish. Courtesy the folks at Great Foods, I am going to do a late night snack that you can simply try at home right now because all these ingredients I'm sure people have in their cupboards right now.
Oh, yes.
It's what we're calling a simple pasta salami salad.
Oh, that's great.
I am using the Great Foods Salami Logs.
Yes.
Now, there's a reason I really like these logs. The reason I like these logs is because, you know, normally the salami and the pepperoni, it comes sliced as well.
Yes, it does.
But with this, I can determine how I want my
how
slice.
thin, yes.
How thick I want my slice. Or I might want it like this, Enrico.
Yes.
I might do that, and do that, and do that. And then I can just simply do that.
Yes.
And do that. And I can get some nice squares like that, yeah?
Yes.
You catching me?
You could design your...
I can do what I want with this. So what I'm doing with this now, I am just going to get this quickly on a very nice heat.
Yes.
Quickly just get it tossed up in a little bit of olive oil.
Yes.
So it gets a nice little crust on it. So I'm going to get that in there.
Okay.
And so this is the salami. And I have become a very big fan of the Great Foods Salami. It's some lovely tasting salami. Yes. You can try this one at home. This is a very simple recipe. You know,
we use this at home. Yes.
Very simple. So while I have that going there, I am going to pull together my vinaigrette. So normally when we do pasta salad, sometimes we use a mayonnaise base.
Yes.
I am using a vinaigrette.
Interesting.
It's late in the night. So watching the calories, mayonnaise could be
all right.
A little fatty.
Let me see how this goes. Let's see.
I'm going to use a vinaigrette tonight. So I'm putting together a vinaigrette. I have some balsamic vinegar here that I just about a quarter cup that I'm going to put in there.
Wow.
To that.
It's the color of the night.
After dark, baby. After dark. People thought this show was about sex. What do I know about sex?
I am in no position to answer that question. None at all.
Let's stick to the late night snacks. Thanks to Great Foods. Olive oil. So I have olive oil and I have some balsamic vinegar. About a 3/4 cup of olive oil and the vinegar. To that, I just want to quickly salt and pepper.
Good. Okay.
Nice. Not too much salt and pepper because to this vinaigrette I am going to add about a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese has a little salty content in it, so I just want to add some Parmesan cheese.
Right.
When I saw this recipe, I said I liked it because I love Parmesan cheese, and I said a vinaigrette with Parmesan cheese. Some oregano going in there. And finally, as I whip this together, I am going to add, what I have here is simply some parsley and some shadow benny chopped up. You can use any of the herbs you had. These are the herbs that I had, and I'm using that. So I'm adding that.
I love a shadow benny.
Adding that to it.
Abandania.
And this all just comes together
in
one lovely vinaigrette. I just feel the need for more cheese. More Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, well.
More Parmesan cheese.
Let's start things off.
Mix this up together. And take a smell there. Yeah? Yeah.
That actually works. I didn't believe you, but it works. It works.
So my Great Foods salami is working its way there.
Yes.
I have my bowtie pasta. What I want to do. Have you ever seen these small tomatoes?
Yes, of course.
And sometimes you look at it and you say, "Oh, them kind of chunky tomatoes."
Why should I straight in my mouth?
Yeah. But sometimes we leave it. And then you know what we do? We go and buy the fancy foreign cherry tomatoes, the little cherry tomatoes.
Yeah.
When I saw these, I say, hey, support the farmers. Local farmers.
This is local.
It's almost like a cherry tomato.
It's great.
So I said,
perfect.
For this recipe, I will just use the local tomatoes.
Yes.
Support the local farmers. So I really just want a few tomatoes just chopped up. And this is a perfect size because I want nice bite-sized tomato pieces kind of thing. Right? So I just gonna chop this in a quick, nice little, nothing too fancy. Just like that.
Nice. Yeah, nice size for tonight.
Right, nice size for the salad. That goes there. And it's time to build my salad.
Boom.
I have my pasta here. I'm gonna add some of the pasta, just about half, Rico. You do pasta salad?
My daughter.
She likes pasta salad?
She loves
the pasta salad.
Yes.
Here I have some mozzarella cheese.
Okay. Great.
Cubed mozzarella cheese. I just love mozzarella cheese. You could also, because mozzarella cheese, anything you put into mozzarella cheese, it just absorbs the flavor. But you can use a sharper cheese. You could use a sharper Asiago. There are a couple of fancy cheeses out there that the chefs will tell you that you can use here as well.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. You're gonna meet a couple chefs tonight as the show goes along.
Oh, wonderful.
Right? I have some sweet peppers.
I will have space for them.
Green sweet peppers that goes in there. I'm gonna add my tomatoes one time.
Great.
Color, green, red. Color is popping. This here, do you eat olives?
Of course.
Very good. I was hoping you said that.
The only thing I don't eat is flit.
Is what?
Flit.
Right. I'm adding.
Yes.
I'm adding some olives as well to that. So you see the colors coming through nicely here.
That's it, because you eat with your eyes.
You eat with your eyes. You eat with your eyes, and then my secret ingredient. My Great Foods Salami chunks that I just already put on some olive oil and sauteed for just a couple minutes, and I get that mixed in there. I want to see the chunks.
Interesting.
I want to bite the chunks, bite the tomato. I want to be, so it's a chunky pasta salami salad.
You want all the flavors to mix in together.
That's right. So as I get this here now, simply all that happens
just about
here
to
now,
ask when is the vinaigrette going in?
the vinaigrette is going in last. Now ideally, you could probably make this vinaigrette and put it down overnight, because the flavors of the vinaigrette comes together the longer it sits.
It sits, right.
So you just toss some vinaigrette in there. Yeah, I'm tossing half, and I'm getting this mixed in there. For good measure, I like to do half-half. So I'm going to add some more pasta now, just based on what I'm seeing in my bowl. I'm adding some more pasta, and now I could probably add some more vinaigrette, and just get it all mixed in there.
All right.
Toss it, mix
it. Is watering right now.
Yeah, get everything mixed in. So this is a pretty decent late night snack. Sure. Not hard to put together. Less than a couple minutes. Once you have your ingredients on hand, doesn't take long to prep. Smells great.
I'm sure.
Smells great. So I'm just clearing here, Enrico, because I want to plate up for you. You come here with your belly in your hand. So I have some arugula.
Yes.
I just want to place some arugula on your plate.
So you be my guest.
A plain chef here today for you.
Yeah.
I love to play with these recipes.
It's working well.
Yes. And all I want to do here now for you is take some of this pasta and get it on top there for you. So I want to make sure you have a little bit of everything. Some cheese, some tomatoes.
Oh, yes.
Make sure you have that Great Food Salami chunks.
Some chunks, yes.
Yeah.
The olives and everything.
The olives, you got olives in there?
Yes.
You got olives in there?
Beautiful.
My brother, sample up. Tell me what you think. Will you try this at home?
This is the test. This is a great food.
Late night snacks. My brother Enrico Camejo is in the building. He is my celebrity taster tonight. He has lots of food to taste. Don't eat up all that, you know.
No.
There's plenty of food to eat. Come on the show, still, you know.
This is really good.
This good? It's good? Plenty food still to come. Fun food friends, all here on A Cup of Joe After Dark. Come on back, TNT. We're rocking with Music Mansion and the band.
Boom.
Late night snacks. Courtesy Great Foods. The name says it all.